As part of this topic, I will demonstrate how to set up sample dataset so that we can actually validate our application as we proceed with respect to the development. For this, we need to create a folder. This is the command which can take care of creating a folder structure for us. I'll be creating this as part of the working directory. My working directory is nothing but this one. In this, we have to create a folder called as data. Within that data, I want to have this folder structure, ITV, GitHub, landing, GH activity. Let me run this. It will take care of creating the folder structure for us. You can actually say find data and you should be able to see it here. Now you can actually say cd and then copy paste this. It will take care of getting you into that folder. Once you are in that folder, you should be able to download these three files. These three files have something called as GitHub activity data. The GitHub activity data is published by something called as GitHub archive website. You can actually go to gharchive.org if you want to understand more about this dataset. Let me go to my browser and then say gharchive.org. You can see the details here. Now this will take care of downloading a file related to 2021 January 13th 0th hour, which is nothing but midnight. Let me copy this and then let me go to the terminal as part of the PyCharm and then paste it here. It is taking care of downloading this file. As it is being downloaded, let me copy this one. Once it is downloaded, let me paste this and hit enter. Same is the case with third one. We have to wait until this is downloaded and we should be able to paste it. Depending upon your internet speed, it might take a bit of time because the files are in a few tens of megabytes. Once all the files are downloaded, you should be able to run this command called as ls-ltr if you are using Mac or Ubuntu, and you should be able to see the three files. If you are using Windows, just run dir command to list the files in that folder. Now to go back to our working directory, we can actually right click on this, then say copy, then say copy path. Make sure you copy the absolute path, then you can say cd and then paste the path and you should be able to go to the working directory. Now you should be able to say find data and you can actually see the three files here. As we have successfully set up sample dataset, now it is time for us to explore how to read these into the data frame.